Assalamu alaikum. My dear student, I hope you are fine today. And now we have to start the lecture on the daily basis for the mathematics. Today we take the special questions in the form of the radical, and now we have to find x and y in this expression. So we have to start the lesson. You take carefully and learn it. Okay? First of all, here the value of x and y. We have to find this. Now we have to take the first step. 4 negative 3 5 cross. We take this expression, simplify as the conjugate. We can write here. The sign will be changed when we rationalize these functions, and the other values we can write as similarly. Here we take as the first step the denominator of the given function 4 negative 3 into 5 square root. The sign will be changed. We can write numerator and the denominator, and then we have to simplify, and we have to get the step of the simplify. 4 plus 3 square root 5, and we can write that in the form of the product. The numerator multiply each other and the denominator also multiply each other, and then the value of this we can write it. Okay? These are the same, have the same sign and the same value. The power will be added. 4 plus 3 square root. We can write here. Okay? And at the denominator contain the values. The value will be the same but have the opposite sign, so we can use the formula. A plus B, A negative B is equal to A square negative B square. This formula we can use as the first square and the negative sign and the second value square, x plus 5 square root into y. We can use as the formula, and now we have to expand a plus b 3 into square root, a plus b whole square. We can write, we can use the formula for the whole square. So a plus b is equal to a square plus b square plus 2a. Okay, we can use as this formula. So first value square and the second value square and plus 2 have the formula first value and the second value. So we can use the second formula, 16 3 square root and other value second square root plus 5 square root over y. Now we take as a square, and so is the square 9 into 5, and we have to multiply 12 into 22. Okay? Now let us go and we write on the other side, and we have to complete this question. The first value is 16 and the second value is 9 into 5, 45. 9 into 45, 8, 3 are 24 into 5, square root. And 16, 9, and this will be cancelled to each other, and 45. 45. X plus square root 5 into y. This is the expression after simplification of the above question, and now we have also simplified to know 1 and the 61 and 24, 5 square root, and this will be 45, 16, 9 into 2. 29 x plus 5 square root. This will be the 29. Okay? And now we separate this and we have to compare and we get the final result x and y. And this, and we can write it. This plus minus minus 24 5 square root over 29 x plus 5 square root into y. After this we have comparison because we have to find the value of x. So this will be given the value of x and y. This will be cancelled. This will be cancelled and y is equal to negative 24 over 9, which is the final result. Dear student, if my video have the formative for you, so please subscribe my channel because the next video will be coming for you on your channel. The wait for my next video. Thank you, Allah Hafiz.